Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can untag yourself from anyone's TikTok video if they have tagged you. Open the video that you are tagged in from the notification and just tap on your name from the video description at the bottom. Then tap on Remove Tag from your name to remove the tag. Now let's see how you can avoid someone from tagging or mentioning you in a TikTok video from now on. Go to your profile, then tap on hamburger icon at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down and select Mentions and Tags. Tap on Tags and choose No One. Do the same thing for Mention. Now no one can mention you in their video and tag you're on any TikTok video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.